the same reason, we have that intersection of elements of F is a subset of X, and hence intersection of elements of F is in the power set of X. So what we see is, if we consider power set of X, it is satisfying all the axioms of being a topology, and it is therefore a topology on X. Hence, power set of X is a topology on X. It has a name to it, contrary to the earlier example. It is called the discrete topology on the set X, and the topological space is called discrete topological space. So as we see that in discrete topological space, every element of our set of X, which basically accounts to all possible subsets of X, is an open set. So all subsets of X are open sets in discrete topological space, whereas in indiscrete topological space there are only two open sets, the empty set and the entire set. There are no other open subsets other than these. Now let's note this: all subsets of X are open sets in discrete topological space, whereas no non-trivial subset of X is open in indiscrete topological space. We look at several more examples in the next class. So up to that point, bye.